Welcome back to the Weather Desk. I'm Jim Scott. Yesterday was a very cold day. Today continues the deep freeze. Our powerful bomb cyclone has now moved into the eastern Canada, but it left behind a massive surge of Arctic air across much of the country. This morning, Americans are waking up to temperatures running 15 to 25 degrees below average. This is a true winter hangover as we head into the final days of 2025, and the cold is not letting go easily. If you're in the Great Lake region, the snow may have some final taper off, but cleaning up is massive. Parts of Michigan and western New York are digging out of as much as 18 to 24 inches of snow. The big concern today isn't new snowfall, it's the blowing and drifting of the snow. Winds are still gusting up to 35 miles per hour. So even with some sunshine showing up in places like Chicago and Minneapolis, road conditions will remain slick and dangerous. And highs today in the Twin Cities, hey, brutal 14 degrees. The blue norther that we talked about yesterday has finally fully cleared the Gulf Coast. Yesterday's t-shirt weather is long gone. In Dallas, after record-breaking warmth over the weekend, highs today struggled to reach 42 degrees. And for the citrus growers across Rio Grande Valley and Deep South tonight is critical. We're tracking a widespread frost and in some locations a hard freeze for areas that haven't experienced one yet this season. Now let's turn our attention to the Pacific because while the east locks into the cold, the west is ramping up. I'm tracking rain that will target California right around New Year's Eve. And the leading edge arrives in the Pacific Northwest today and Tuesday night. By Wednesday morning, this system becomes a major rainmaker for the Bay Area, eventually spreading into Southern California. Heavy rain and mountain snow, gusty winds, and if you have outdoor New Year's Eve plans, well, you need to make a plan B ready. A frozen east is still digging out of and dealing with dangerous wind chills, and a soggy west is preparing for the next major storm just in time for the holidays. Stay weather aware, keep checking local forecasts, and make smart travel decisions. That's the latest from Jim Scott's Weather Desk for the national forecast. Now for my area of Indiana and Ohio. Good morning, Indiana and Ohio, and welcome to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If you're just grabbing that first cup of coffee, you'll notice it's a brisk and cold start across the region this morning. An upper level disturbance will move quickly to the southeast tonight in uniform strong northwest flow. This could bring a half inch of snow to central Ohio, with a dusting to a quarter inch over the remainder of the area. Looking at the temperature this morning, we're at 16 degrees at 5:45 a.m. And today we'll see a mix of sun and clouds with skies turning partly sunny. Temperatures remain on the chilly side with a high near 26 degrees. West winds around 11 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 23 miles per hour, keeping it feeling colder. Tonight, skies stay mostly cloudy. There's a slight chance of snow late this evening, mainly between 10 p.m. and midnight. Overnight, lows fall to around 22 degrees. West winds at 8 to 10 miles per hour, gusting up to 22 miles per hour. Snow chances are low at 20%, and little accumulation is expected. Wednesday, skies stay cloudy through the day. There's a slight chance of snow, mainly after 1 p.m. High temperatures reach around 32 degrees, and the west winds at 10 to 13 miles per hour, with gusts up to 24 miles per hour, adding a bit of a chill. Snow chances set at 20%, with little or no accumulation expected during the day. Wednesday night, snow chances increase during the evening, mainly before 1 a.m. The skies remain mostly cloudy overnight. Lows fall to around 16 degrees, and winds turn northwest after midnight at 8 to 10 miles per hour, with wind gusts up to 23 miles per hour. Snow chances rise to 40%, but accumulation stays light, under an inch. New Year's Day, skies turn partly sunny, giving us some breaks in the clouds. Temperatures stay cold with highs near 26 degrees. Light to west wind around 6 miles per hour, keeping conditions fairly calm. And Thursday night, skies remain partly cloudy. Overnight, temperatures drop to around 18 degrees. Friday, skies turn partly sunny, offering some breaks in the clouds. Temperatures warm slightly with a high near 35 degrees. And Friday night, clouds increase again overnight. Skies stay mostly cloudy. Overnight lows fall to around 21 degrees. Saturday turns partly sunny, giving us some breaks in the clouds once again. Temperatures stay on the cold side with a high near 32 degrees. Saturday night, skies remain partly cloudy overnight. Overnight lows drop to around 20 degrees. And that's a look at your weather forecast. Thank you for watching Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If you found this forecast helpful, please like the video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what the weather is like where you are at. Your support truly helps the channel grow. Stay safe, stay warm, and have a great day. I'm Jim Scott. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.